Okay, so we have already done the domain and range. Okay, and then we have solved some questions. Okay, I will resend the second and third assignment. Okay. Okay, so this we have already done. Property 2 we have done. We have solved the questions. Some questions are remaining that we will do later on after completing one property. Can you please tell me about this third question? We have completed this one?
No, sir.
Okay. Then we will start this question. CBs. Oh, okay, observe. Okay, so for this one, anyone can tell me this answer directly? What is the answer of this question?
So 5 by 13.
5 by 13. Okay, this is a property. But if you will check this second question, now we are stuck. The question is sine, cos inverse. This is, we have sine, we have cos inverse. Okay, 4 by 5. Now here we are stuck because as per the formula, if this is sine, then inside this bracket, you should have a sine inverse. Okay, so please check here. It is a very important method you will use in.
Change cos inverse to sine inverse.
Yes, we will do the same thing. So what we have to do, draw a triangle. Okay, let this be A, this is B, this is C. Okay, let this be
Based
theta.
by hypotenuse, right?
Yes. Okay, so what we will do, we will assume this, let cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to theta. So we will write cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, so if this is theta, this is base, this is hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular. So we will say that this is 4, hypotenuse is 5, perpendicular we need to find. Okay. Okay, so if this is 4 by 5, so who can tell me what is the perpendicular in this case?
3.
That will be 3. Okay, that you can show this on your own. Now, what we will write, we will let this be 1. Okay, cos inverse 4 by 5, let this be 1. We will write sine theta. What is sine theta? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? Perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So here we will get theta is equal to sine inverse 3 by 5. Okay, let this be 2. Now please check here. From 1 we have what? Theta is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5. Okay, from 1 we have this theta is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5. From 2 we have theta is equal to sine inverse 3 by 5. So we can say from 1 and 2, what we can say that sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5. We can say this. Now the actual question is sine cos inverse 4 by 5. Okay, so we can solve this by this method. In place of this cos inverse, we can write what? Sine inverse. Okay, sine inverse 3 by 5. So this will give us what? This is equal to 3 by 5. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, so please note down this and then solve this question number third and share your answer. In case anyone have a doubt, please let me know. But this is a very important method where we change one ratio, inverse ratio into another. Okay. Everyone, please let me know in case you have a doubt in third question. Yes, Fahad, that is correct. In case anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Is it done? Shall we start next? Abdur, Fahad, Rifat, is it done? Abdur, Fahad, and Rifat, is it done? Shall we start next? Okay, okay. Take your time and let me know in case anyone have a doubt. Uh, Fahad, why it is 15 by 7? What the hypotenuse you are getting, Fahad? Okay, okay. I guess it is 17. Fahad, is it 17? 15 by 17? Fahad, is it 15 by 17? Then 15 by 7? Yes, you are getting the wrong answer. So Abdur and Rifat, please let me know if you got the answer for this.
So 15 by 17, so
That's correct, Abdur. Very good. You are not getting the answer, Rifat? Okay, no issue. Please check here. So here we have in question number 3, we have sine. tan inverse 15 by 8. Okay. Now we will draw a triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. Let this be theta. Here you have a base, here you have a perpendicular, here you have a hypotenuse. So let theta is equal to tan inverse 15 by 8. So you can say here tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. So that means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is 15, base is 8. So hypotenuse you will get 17. Okay, Rifat. So once you let this be 1. Once you have done this, then check here. If here you have a sine, then find the sine theta from here. So sine theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we can say that sine theta is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? 15. Hypotenuse is what? 17. So theta is equal to sine inverse 15 by 17. Okay, this is 2. So from 1 and 2, what we can say that tan inverse 15 by 8 is equal to sine inverse 15 by 17. Okay. Now, what is your question? Question is sine tan inverse 15 by 8. So we can say that this is equal to sine. What is sine inverse? 15 by 70. So final answer you will get is 15 by 70. Okay. Uh, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. So h square is equal to perpendicular square means 225, base square means 8 square, 64. So h square is equal to what? This is 289. So h we will get what? 17. Is it fine, for? Okay, so I hope everyone has done this. Please note down this, raise your hands, then we will start our next question. Okay, Rifat, very good. Abdur, Fahad, is it done? Okay, Abdur, you have already completed it. Fahad, is it done? Shall we start next? Okay. Abdur, Fahad, is it done? Oh, okay. Take your time. And please always write the formula which you are using, okay? So in this case, please write the formula. Okay, Fahad, good. Okay, next property. Please check here. The property is sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. And this you need to remember. Okay, that x should belongs to -1 to 1. The domain should be -1 to 1. Okay, we will do the proof of this. So sine inverse, tan inverse, cosec inverse, these three formulas are same. Okay, minus sine inverse, minus tan inverse, minus cosec inverse. Then you have next cos inverse minus x, cot inverse minus x, sec inverse minus x. Okay, so these three formulas are same and these three formulas are same. So please remember these formulas. These are the domain. Okay, we will do the proof one by one. So we will do two proof. First, for the first one, sine inverse minus x. So for the first one, let sine inverse minus x is equal to theta. So you will get a minus x is equal to sine theta. Okay, x is equal to right here. Right here, x is equal to minus sine theta. And right here, x is equal to sine minus theta. Okay. Now, here, what you can say then, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we have x is equal to sine minus theta. So what you can write, you can shift this sine inverse and this will become sine inverse minus x. Sorry, sine inverse x is equal to minus theta. Okay. Now here, this you have a sine inverse x and shift this negative to the left side. So you have a minus here. This is equal to theta. So next, in place of theta, put this value. Okay, so you have a here minus sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse minus x. So this is a proof of the first part. Okay, please note down this, raise your hands once it is done, then we will start the next proof. Omer, you are almost 25 minutes late. What is the reason? Please message me, Omer, what's the reason? So everyone, please note down this, raise your hands, then we will start the next question. Everyone, please raise your hands once it is done so that we can start the next proof. Okay, Fahad, good. Rifat, Abdur, Amir, is it done?
So we have to add all the properties and plus the proof.
You have to learn all these properties, okay? Proof, most of the times they do not ask, but these are very simple proof. Huh? Abdur, is it done? Shall we start next?
So 1 second.
Okay, okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Abdur, good. Omir, please reply me on the chat box why you are late. Okay, next one. Fourth is let cos inverse minus x is equal to theta. Okay, so we will write minus x is equal to cos theta, and then we will write x is equal to minus cos theta, and we know that x is equal to cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Okay, so cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. That's why in place of minus cos theta, we can write this cos pi minus theta. Shift this cos inverse to the left side, so you will get cos inverse x is equal to pi minus theta. And now here you have cos inverse x. This is equal to pi. Now in place of theta, put the previous value, that is cos inverse minus x. So shift this cos inverse minus x to the left side here and shift this to the right side. So you will get this one. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Now please note down this, raise your hands once it is done so that we can start the questions. Okay, Fahad, very good. Abdur, Rifat, is it done? Okay, Rifat, good. Abdur, is it done?
No, sir.
Okay. Abdur, now shall we start next? Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so we have left some questions. Okay, because we need to do this property. Now we will check them. Okay, so for example, in this one, second one. Okay, who can tell me this formula, sine inverse minus x? Who can tell me this? Abdur, can you tell me this formula?
So minus
Minus
sine
sine
inverse.
inverse x.
Minus sine inverse x. Very good. Okay, so we are doing the second question. So sine inverse minus 1 by root 2. So we will write this as minus sine inverse
45.
1 by root 2. Not now. We will write like this. Okay, because we have this negative sign. Okay, so now we have done the property. That's why we have shifted this sign to here. Now, please complete this. This is minus this sine inverse. Okay, so this is what 1 by root 2. What we can write in place of this 1 by root 2? Anyone? Anyone can tell me in place of this 1 by root 2, what we can write? We have done already we have done such a type of
So
questions.
45 degrees, sine 45.
Yes, sine 45. Okay, so we'll write sine pi by 4. Please remember this in radian. Minus. Now sine inverse sine pi by 4, this lie in
Minus
the
pi by 4.
range. Okay, so minus pi by 4. This is your final answer. So if you have a negative sign here, then please use the properties which we have just done. Okay. Now note down this. Do question number 4 and share your answer. This chapter is looking easy. Just yes, Fahad. This
So
chapter
finish
is
with the
quite
last slide.
simple. The last one, where we have done the formulas.
Yes, sir. I have to. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Fahad. This is quite simple.
Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay. Please note down this and then do question number 4 and share your answer with me. Anyone got the answer, the 4th one? Anyone got the 4th answer?
So pi minus pi by 6.
Pi minus pi by 6 or pi by 3?
Pi by 3, sir. Sorry, pi by
Yeah,
3.
pi by 3. Third one is pi by, no, Fahad, that is not correct.
The
Fahad,
fourth
please.
one.
Okay, okay, you are telling the 4th one. Sorry, 4th one. Fahad, that is not correct. Please use the formula. Fahad, what is the formula of cos inverse minus x?
So pi minus cos
Pi
inverse
minus
6.
cos inverse x.
Very good. So it is pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. So you just need to solve this one. Okay. So write pi minus cos inverse. In place of 1 by 2, please write cos pi by 3. So what you will get here? Pi minus pi by 3, which will give you 2 pi by 3. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now please do fifth question. Okay. Rifat, is it clear? The fourth one? Okay, great. So please do the fourth question and share your answer. Okay.
So which question you have to do?
The fifth one. Okay. Tan inverse minus root 3.
So minus pi by 3.
Minus pi by 3. Very good. It is correct, Abdur. Fahad and Rifat, will you please share your answer?
It's the same minus 5%.
Very good. Rifat, are you getting the same one? Okay, great, Rifat. Now next one. Okay, so this we have done. Okay, so please try this question. Fourth one. Please try fourth question and tell me the final answer. Please remember your answer should lie in the range of cos inverse. Okay. Please let me know if anyone have a doubt here. Okay. Good, Rifat, it is correct. Rifat, then please start question number fifth and share your answer. And Abdur and Fat, please let me know if this is done.
So pi minus 7 pi by 6.
Why pi minus, how you're getting pi minus 7 pi by 6? Answer fourth. Okay. So this is cos inverse and here you have a cos 7 pi by 6. So this is not negative.
7 pi by 6, sir.
Sorry. Yes, Abdul.
7 pi by 6.
7 pi by 6. No. What is the range of this cos inverse? What is the range? Okay, I already asked you to learn these range, domain and range.
-1 to 1.
No, that is the domain. Okay, what is the range for this cos inverse? What is the range for cos inverse?
So
Hmm?
minus
0 to
pi by
pi.
2 to pi by 2.
No, for cos it is 0 to
0
pi.
to pi.
0
Okay,
to pi.
please remember this. So if you are saying that your answer is 7 pi by 6, then it is not correct because it do not lie in this interval. Okay, so 7 pi by 6 is not correct. Now what you will do? Write cos inverse, write cos. This 7 pi by 6, this can be written as pi plus pi by 6. Okay, please do the calculation. You will get a 7 pi by 6. Now, Fahad, what is pi plus theta? Fahad, what is pi plus theta? Abdul, what is pi plus theta?
Sir, is the final answer pi by 6?
No, that's not correct. Abdul, what is pi plus theta, cos pi plus theta?
The sine
No,
minus.
no, I already told you about this. Okay, these are the 11th formulas. Please remember these formulas. I already told you that in case of pi, there is no change. You will get a cos. Now, in which quadrant this will lie, Abdul? Pi plus pi by 6?
The third quadrant.
Third quadrant, very good. So in third quadrant, cos is what? Positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
Negative. So cos inverse, this one, minus cos pi by 6. Okay, so what is the formula we have? Pi minus cos inverse x.
Pi by 6.
Okay, so here we have, in place of x, this value. So pi minus, you will get a pi by 6. So here you will get a 5 pi by 6. Okay, so please check with the range. The answer you are finding lie in this range. Okay, now please do this and note down this. Do the fifth question and share your answer. And Rifat, is it done? The fifth one? Okay, Rifat, I will check this. Okay, yes, that is correct. Very good. So further, Abdul, please note down this, then start the fifth question. Third step, 1, 2, 3. This one, cos pi by
Yes,
6.
sir.
Please remember, in case you have any trigonometric ratio and you have a pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, anything, then the ratio will remain the same. Okay, so write cos theta. Now you need to check the quadrant, this line, the third quadrant, that's why it is negative. So in case of pi, the ratio will remain the same. In case of odd multiple of pi by 2 and pi by 2 plus minus theta, then this sign will change into cos. Okay, but the condition is n should be odd. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this. Okay, and then do the question number fifth. Is it done? Abdur, Fahad, question number 5th. Please let me know in
No,
case you.
Jason.
Okay. Please let me know if hint is required. For why you are writing this pi plus 2 pi by 4. That is correct, Abdur. So for pi plus 2 pi by 4 means pi plus pi by 2. And this will give you 3 pi by 2. So no, that is not correct. In place of 3 pi by 4, you can't write this. Okay. So what is the range for this tan inverse for? For tan inverse, what is the range?
Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2.
Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so that means this angle is greater than 90. We can't solve this directly. So what you have to do, what is pi minus pi by 4?
So minus tan theta.
Yes, that's correct. But in terms of calculation, for what is pi minus pi by 4?
3 pi by
3
4.
pi by 2. 3 pi by
Okay,
4.
3 pi by 4. So in place of 3 pi by 4, we can write this pi minus pi by 4. Okay, so now for please do this on your own and share the final answer. For let me check this. This is tan inverse, okay? And here, so in case of pi, there will be not any change. Pi 10 pi by 4. Now please tell me for this pi minus pi by 4 lie in which quadrant? For this pi minus pi by 4 lies in which quadrant?
In the third one.
No, why in the third? This is 0, this is pi by 2, and this is pi. If you are subtracting some angle from pi, then in which quadrant this will lie? Yes, what? This is pi. If you will
Second
subtract
one.
in the second one, okay, this line, the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is what? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Okay, so we will put a negative sign here. So here you will get tan inverse, and here you will write tan minus pi by 4. And tan inverse tan, this will give you minus pi by 4. This is clear for?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So first, please note down this, raise your hand, then we will start the next type. Okay. Okay, Fahad, great. Next one. Uh, okay, the next property. Sine inverse 1 by x is cosec inverse x. Okay, cos inverse 1 by x is sine, tan inverse 1 by x is cot inverse x. So we will do the proof of one question. Okay, let sine inverse 1 by x is equal to theta. So what we will get? Shift this sign. So you will get 1 by x is equal to sine theta. Okay. Do the reciprocal. You will get x is equal to 1 by sine theta. And from here you will get x is equal to cosec theta. Okay. And from here you can say cosec theta is equal to x. And from here you can say theta is equal to cosec inverse x. Okay. So from here we have theta is equal to sine inverse 1 by x. So let this be 1, let this be 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we will get? Sine inverse 1 by x is equal to cosec inverse x is equal to cosec inverse x. Okay, because this is theta and this is also theta. So from 1 and 2, we can say that this sine inverse x is equal to cosec inverse x. Okay, so please note down this property, raise your hands, then we will solve some questions. Okay, Fahad, very good. Abdur and Rifat, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Rifat, good. Abdur, is it done?
No, sir.
Okay.
So we just need to learn the formula, right?
Yes, you need to learn these formulas.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, great, Abdur. Now, first question. Okay, this you can solve on your own. You have a sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay, you can find out the value of this. So please solve this and share your answer. Okay, and let me know in case you have a doubt in any of the question. Fahad, you need to do nothing. Just solve this. What is the value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 for?
So pi by 6, sine inverse pi by 6.
Yes, that's correct. Minus. Okay. You will get a negative. Okay, Fahd? You're getting 90. That's correct, Rifat. Please write the final answer. Okay, sine 90 is fine. So what you have to do here, this is sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So we know this formula. So we will write sine pi by 3. And here you will get a plus. Here you will get a sine inverse 1 by 2. Okay. So this is equal to sine. Here you have a pi by 3 plus here you have sine inverse. Okay, what is sine inverse 1 by 2? We can write here sine pi by 6. So this is equal to sine. Here you will get a pi by 3 plus this is pi by 6. Pi by 3 plus pi by 6 will give you what? Sine 90 pi by 2. So sine pi by 2 is 1. Is it clear? First?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down this, raise your hands, then we will see the next question.
So how did we get plus sine inverse of
Plus sine inverse 1 by 2.
okay, so I got minus sine inverse.
Okay. Okay, Abdur, very good. Fahad, please raise your hands. Okay, great. Okay. Re- uh, so rest we will do later on. Okay. We will start with these questions. Okay. So please check here. Here we have tan inverse under root of this. So in these types of questions, what you have to do, if it is tan inverse, then inside this bracket, we should have a tan. Okay. So if it is tan inverse inside the bracket, you should have a tan. Which one? The previous questions, Abdul?
So these questions.
Yes, these are deleted, but some students were saying to me that in their school they are doing the exercise second also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Like even in my school, they did some of these questions.
Okay. That's why I'm doing this. Okay.
So,
Otherwise,
sir, it won't come in exam, right? Or
please do it because your internal marks will be counted in the final exam also. So in your school, if they are teaching this, then please do this. Okay. These are simple questions. Please check here. So if it is tan inverse, then inside this bracket, we must have a tan. So we need to solve this one. Okay, who can tell me what is the formula of 1 minus cos theta? Who can tell me? Or 1 minus cos 2 theta? These are very important formulas. I guess we have discussed this earlier also. So who can tell me what is the formula of
uh,
1 minus
cos square theta minus sine square theta.
2
2
sine
cos square theta
square
minus 1.
2 sine square theta by 2? Okay. And what's the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta? Sorry, 1 plus 2 sine square theta. And what's the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta? It is 2 cos square theta. Okay, please note down these two formulas. These are very important formulas. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta. So angle will become half. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So in this question, what we will do here, we will write tan inverse. Okay, and we need this. Yes, these are 11th formulas. Okay, and we need this for the differentiation also. Okay, because in differentiation we have such type of questions. So here we can write 1 minus cos x. So we can write 2 sine square x by 2. And in the denominator, we can write 2 cos square x by 2. So what we will get here, tan inverse. And inside this bracket, this 2 will cancel out. So you will get what? Sine square by cos square x by 2. Okay, so here you will get what? Tan inverse. And here sine by cos square is under root of tan square x by 2. So here you will get what? Tan inverse. It is tan x by 2. So finally you will get x by 2 here. Okay, this is the final answer. How x by 2? This is the formula for, please check here. 1 minus cos 2 theta here. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta. So angle will become half. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So angle will become half. Okay, for that's why we have a cos x. 1 minus cos x. So we have written sine square x by 2. Is it clear for?
Sir, can you give all the formulas for cos?
All the formulas of cos? So
Yes.
basically we have these formulas. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Then we have cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Next, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, first. So from this and this, we have derived these two formulas. Okay, but remember them like this. 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sine square theta. Okay, so please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start the next question. Everyone, please raise your hands once it is done. Then we will do the second question. Okay, Abdur, is it done? Abdur, shall we start next?
No, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, how to know which formula we have to put? Like we have three formulas for cos 2 theta.
Yes, Sabdu, so please remember for these two formulas directly. Okay, that's why I've given these two formulas directly. At 1 minus cos 2 theta, this is the formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta, this is the formula. Okay, and other thing in some questions, first of all, please learn these two formulas. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay. Is it done, Abdul?
Okay, sir.
Shall we start
And
next?
sir,
Yes.
for sine and tan, is it like formulas are there or not?
For sine 2 theta, yes, we have these two formulas. Okay. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. And for tan 2 theta, it is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, I will suggest you to please learn all the formulas of class 11th. Okay, because we have a integration also where any formula can be used. So please learn all those formulas. Now, shall we move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, please try this. Okay, please try this question number second. Okay, because the same type of question you can see in the differentiation also. So please do the second question and share your answer. Please let me know if you need a hint for this question.
Hello.
Hello.
Where is Harshit, sir?
Messaging. Hello. Hello. Sir, should I end the meeting?
Did you get the answer?
Sir, I'm ending the meeting. Can someone call Arshad, sir? Sir, I'm ending the meeting, sir.
You message Arsa, sir.
I don't know, he just left and the meeting is also recording.
Message him on WhatsApp.
Sir, hello, did you join, sir?
Sorry, I have some network issue. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I hope my voice is audible to you. I am keeping my video off, okay, because I have some issues with the network. For this question, I will give you the hint that for this cos, we can write we can write cos x is equal to sine pi by 2 minus x. Okay, and for the denominator, we have this sine x is equal to cos pi by 2 minus x. So what you can do here,
How, sir?
Sir,
how what is sine pi by 2 minus theta? What
sir,
is
can you
this?
do the other method, sir?
Uh, for example,
So like we have cos x, so we have many formulas of cos 2 theta, so we can just write it as cos theta and then change other formulas like that.
that will not work here. Okay, so first thing, please learn all the formulas, okay, which you have done in class 11th. Okay, all the formulas. Today, please take out your books and learn these basic formulas. Okay, why I'm doing this? Just give me a minute. Here we will write, in place of cos, we can write sine pi by 2 minus x. And in the denominator, we can write 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay. What is the advantage of this? As this angle is complicated, so we will assume something. For example, let pi by 2 minus x is equal to theta. Okay. Why we are assuming this? So that we can see this in a very simple form. Sine theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now this is equal to tan inverse. Now what is the formula of sine 2 theta?
Sir, sine 2 sine a cos a 2 sine square theta minus 1.
2 sine theta, cos theta.
2
2
sine
sine
theta
square
cos.
theta.
2 sine theta cos theta. Okay. Now here you have a theta. So here the angle become half. That's why we will write 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. And in the denominator, you have 1 plus cos theta. So you can write here 2 cos square theta by 2.
2
Is it clear?
cos theta by 2.
2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. Is it clear till now? So cancel out
Yes,
this
sir.
2, cancel out this cos. So what you get here, tan inverse. And here in the bracket, you have sine by cos, which is tan theta by 2. Okay, now you have tan inverse, so you get a theta
Theta
by
by
2.
2.
And what was theta? It was pi by 2 minus x by 2. So you get here pi by 4 minus x. Okay. Now, why we have written in place of cos this sign? Because we have the formula of sine 2 theta. This, okay. What you can do here? You can, okay, you can put the formula in place of cos. In place of cos, you can put any formula cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. But what happened with the denominator? Okay, we know that we have a very good formula is 1 plus sine 2 theta. Sorry, 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. So we will try to just Abdur, just give me a minute. So we will try to use these two formulas wherever we can in this inverse trigonometric functions. Yes, Abdur.
So one of the formula for cos 2x is cos square theta minus sine square theta, right? So we can write cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2 instead of cos x.
Yes, we can do Abdur, but what after that? What we will do after that step? If suppose we will write here cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. Then the denominator you have 1 plus sine x. Now you don't have any formula of 1 plus sine x.
So we
1
can do,
plus,
uh,
yes.
so for one, we can write as cos square theta plus sine square theta, like that.
Okay,
And then for
okay.
one, we can do like that.
Okay, okay. So you want to use the other method. Okay, by here you can
Then,
write sine square x by 2. Here you can write cos square x by 2. And sine, here you want to write 2 sine x by 2 cos x by
yes,
2. Okay. And then you are saying that in place of this, you can write this cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2 and the denominator, right? Sine x plus cos whole square. Am I correct, Abdul?
yes, exactly.
Okay. Now, what you want to do? A square minus b square, then you will cut the sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2. You
Yes,
want
sir.
to do, then in the numerator, you will get a cos x by 2 minus sine x by 2. Okay, in the denominator, you will have a sine cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2. Then you want to divide this with cos x by 2. Am I correct?
Yes, so we get 1 minus tan x by 2
Yes,
and
yes,
then
yes.
1
That
plus tan x
that
by 2.
method is also correct. Okay, if you wish, you can use that. And I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, if you
So
wish, you
which
can.
one is easier?
Okay, that one is easier. Okay,
No,
okay.
so which one is easier?
So you're asking me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. As per my view, this method is simple.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
if you wish, you can use that one also because in some questions we will use that logic. So it's your choice. Okay. So please note down this one, the second
And sir,
answer.
this is the formula, right? Sine pi by 2 minus x.
Yes, yes, there's a basic formula. I already told you that if you have an odd multiple of pi by 2, then sign will change into cos. You need to check the quadrant. Pi by 2 minus 6 lie in the first quadrant, so it will be positive. Okay. Is it is it clear for?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So please note down this and let me know so that we can start the next question. Okay, Rifat, is it clear? Okay, Rifat, very good. So all of you, please note down this. Let me know once it is done, then we will do the third question.
So,
Yes.
So cos pi by 2 minus x is sine x, right, sir?
Cos pi by 2 minus x is sine x.
So in second step, did you substitute it?
Please check here. Here in the numerator, we have a cos. That's why I've written sine pi by 2 minus x here. In the denominator, we have 1 plus sine. That's why we have written 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Abdul, we have this formula 1 plus cos theta. We have used in the previous question 2 cos square theta by 2. In the previous question, I have given two formulas, 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So in
Yes,
place of
sir.
one, okay. So first, is it clear now why I have written 2 cos square theta by 2? Fahad, is it clear?
So the formula was cos square theta minus 1.
Cos square theta minus 1. I have given two direct formulas for 1 plus cos theta. You have not noted down those formulas? 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay. So please confirm me once it is done so that we can
Done,
start
sir.
the next. Done. Okay. First, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we will start next one. Okay. In the same way, please try this question. Okay. The same logic which we have applied in the second question, please use that for third also. Very good, Fahad. That is correct. But as in the bracket, you have a cot theta by 2. Can you write in place of cot theta by 2, tan theta by 2? Sorry, tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Can you write that value?
How, sir?
I will show you. Just give me a minute. So here you get this answer that tan inverse, okay, cot theta by 2. Very good. It is correct. Now in place of this, can you write this tan inverse because we need tan in the bracket. So can you write this tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2? Is it correct?
Yes. Tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2 is cot theta
Okay.
by 2, right?
Yes. Okay. So finally what you will get pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now you can put this value of theta, whatever you have assumed. Okay. Now please tell me the final answer. Which formula for?
So this tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2.
Yes, these are the basic formulas. In case you have any
Okay.
ratio and you have a pi by 2, okay, or multiple of pi by 2, then this will change into another ratio. For example, if you have cot pi by 2 minus theta by 2, it will change into tan. Okay. Please remember, if you have an odd multiple of pi by 2, then the cot into tan, sine into cos, cos into sine, sec into cosec, cosec into sec. Okay. Okay, Fahad. Is it done?
So is it
Yes,
cot
I
theta
got
by
it.
2 here?
Yes, Abdur, what you're saying?
So is it tan inverse cos theta by 2?
Cot tan inverse, yes. Now in place of cot theta, because we need a tan here, so in place of this, you can write this tan. Okay, so finally you will get a pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Is it clear, Abdur?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
please
sir.
put this value of theta by 2 and tell me the final answer. Rifat, is it done? Rifat, is it done? Rifat, my voice is audible. You are not getting the final answer. Okay, let me solve this. So here, please check. In place of cos, you might have written sine pi by 2 minus x. In place of this, you have written cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay. So then you have assumed pi by 2 minus x. So here you have got tan inverse. In the bracket, you have sine. This is equal to theta. Okay. Further, let me check this. So here you will get a sine theta by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, Rifat. Now put the formula. This is equal to tan inverse. In the numerator, you will have a 2 sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. And in the denominator, you have 2 sine squared theta by 2. So 2 will get cancelled out. Sine will get cancelled from here. So cos by sine, you will get this is equal to tan inverse cot theta by 2. Okay, but we need a tan here. So what we will do, we will write tan inverse in the bracket, we will write tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So here you will get tan inverse. Okay. And okay, so this is tan inverse 10. So you will get a pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So here you will get pi by 2 minus what is theta? Theta is pi by 2 minus 6 by 2 pi by 2 minus pi by 4 plus 6 by 2. Okay. So here pi by 2 minus this is pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, Fahad, why you are getting 1 by 2? Fahad, is it clear?
So can you explain
So
that last step?
yes, sir.
Uh, this one?
So pi by 2 minus
Yes,
x
sir.
by 2.
So you just need to subtract. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is what? Pi by 4. Check here. Here you have pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Okay, so put the value of theta. Well, theta is what? Pi by 2 minus x. Divide by 2. So separate this. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2 by 2 will become a pi by 4. And x by 2 become this plus x by 2. So you just need to take the LCM for these two. Take the LCM. So you will get a pi by 4. Is it clear?
So can you explain how did you simplify pi by 2 minus x by 2?
Pi by 2 minus
X divided by 2.
um, this one. Pi by 2 minus x by 2.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here we have a pi by 2 minus, you have a pi by 2 minus x. So what we will do, we will separate it. So I will write again minus x by 2. So here you will get a pi by 2. Okay, open this bracket. So you will get a pi by 2 by 2 minus x by 2. So here you will get a pi by 2 minus, here you will get a pi by 4 minus x by 2. Is it fine, Abdul?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Further, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Rifat, is it done? Okay, great. So please note down this, raise your hand. We will do one more question, then we will end the class. Okay. Okay, Fahad. Okay, Abdul, please let me know once it is done.
Done.
Okay, Abdul, very good. Okay, so this is also a good question because we will use the same concept for in differentiation. Please try to solve this fourth question. Okay, and Abdul, the concept which you told me in the previous questions, you can apply that one here. Okay, so please let me know if anyone need a hint for this question, question number 4. Okay, but please check here. So, what is the formula of tan A minus B? It is tan A minus tan B
Tan A minus tan B.
is by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay, please learn all the formulas. So we have this one. So if we will apply the formula here, tan pi by 4 minus x. So what we will get here, tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay. What is the value of 10 pi by 4 for? 10 pi by 4 means 1045. 1045 is 1. So 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Okay. So for if we have this value 1 minus step by first this, then we can write this one. Is it clear for?
So can you repeat again?
Yeah, I'm saying that if we have this value 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, then we can, in place of this, we can write this complete value. Then in place of this, we can write 10 pi by 4 minus x. Is it clear for?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now for please tell me, here we have a cos minus sine. So please compare this numerator with this one. So how can you get 1 here? With what you will divide this so that you will get a 1 minus tan x. Let this be 1. Divide numerator and denominator. Divide numerator
By
and denominator.
pi by 4
By,
minus, right?
no, by cos x. Okay, check here. So here you have a tan inverse. Here you have a cos minus sine. In the denominator, you will get a cos. Here you have a cos plus sine by cos. This is equal to tan inverse. So here you will separate this. You will get a cos x by cos minus sine by cos. And here you will get what? Cos by cos. And here you will get sine by cos. So here you will get what? Tan inverse. Okay, here you have 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So in place of this first, can we write like this? This is equal to tan inverse. In place of this one, we will write tan pi by 4. Here we have a tan x. In the denominator, we can write 1 plus tan pi by 4. And here we have a tan x. And finally, we can write tan inverse. And here we can write tan pi by 4 minus x. Is it clear for?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, then finally we can write pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so please note down this, raise your hands once it is done. Rifat, Abdul Fat, please raise your hands if it is clear to you and once you noted down this. Okay.
So if we put in the place of cos x, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and we do the question, will it solve?
Abdul, will you please repeat?
So what if in the place of cos x we write cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and in the place of sine we write 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2, and then we solve?
In place of cos, if you will write cos square minus sin square, and in place of sine, you will write 2 sine. So no formula will be formed, Abdul.
No, sir. For like cos x, we can write cos square x minus sin square x by 2, and then minus sine 2
Yes,
sin x
yes.
by 2 cos x by 2.
So we don't have any formula like this. In place of sine, you can write minus 2 sine x by 2. Okay, so it is not a minus b whole square. Okay, so that will not work here. Okay, Abdul?
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is your doubt for? First, what is your doubt? Why pi by 4 means what? 45 degrees. So tan 45 is 1. That's why in place of this one, I have written a pi by 4. 10 pi by 4. Okay, I have written 1045 degrees. Similarly, in the denominator, we have 1 plus tan x. So we can write 1 plus 1 into tan x. So in place of this, we can write 10 pi by 4. Is it fine, first?
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay, okay. So everyone, please raise your hands once you complete it.
So how should we know that in this question we have to divide by cos?
In these types of questions, observe whenever you have a cos minus sine by cos plus sine, even in integration also and in differentiation also, we will do the similar question. Okay. So please remember, if you have a tan inverse here, we will make this into a tan form, and for that we will divide with cos. Okay. The same question you will see in the differentiation as well as in the integration. Okay. Please let me know if it is done. Is it done? Abdul Fahad Rifat.
So
Okay,
1 minute.
Rifat. Okay, Rifat, very good. So Rifat, please note down the homework. Homework is assignment 1. Okay. In this chapter, there is only a single assignment. So we will share that with you today only. So please try to solve assignment 1. The rest of the topic we will do later. We will do tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So Rifat, if you wish, you can drop off.
So the formula tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B, is it that formula?
Yes, Abdul, this is 11th formula. Oh, okay. So please learn these formulas, and tomorrow please learn all the formulas which you have done in class 11th in Trigo. Okay.
So the formula for that tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B is tan pi minus x.
Sorry, Abdul, will you repeat?
So for tan pi by 4 minus so tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B, the formula is tan pi minus theta.
No, I'm sorry, I do not understood your question. So you're saying tan, Abdul, what you're saying, tan pi by 4 minus x?
Yes, sir. So what is the formula of that tan pi by 4 minus? Is it tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B?
Yes, yes. Okay, so
Okay,
it is 10 pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay. Okay, Fahad, then very good. Please try to solve the assignment first. Okay, and tomorrow we will continue this.
done, sir.
Okay, Abdul, very good. So Abdul, please complete the assignment.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, chapter
Okay,
over.
sir. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, yes,
Is the
Abdul.
chapter over?
Tomorrow it will be over.
So more questions are left like this.
Yes, there are some question of substitution that we will do tomorrow.
So, but I guess like questions beyond this are deleted.
Abdul, even this is also deleted.
Yeah, yes, sir, but still.
Okay, only we have to do the first exercise. But I need this for the differentiation.
Okay, so what will be the next chapter? So integrals.
In integration, inverse, we will normally in inverse, we will use a different method. Okay, so after this chapter, we will do some questions of differentiation which we have left, and then we will start the integration. So hopefully next week we can start the integration.